Hi, I'm Elias from Empire Fine Homes, here with Alejandra, and today we're here to discuss an important topic, the recent volatility in interest rates, what's driving it and how it impacts your ability to buy a home.
We'll also explain how the market's reaction to the election plays a significant role in this fluctuation. Let's break it all down so you can feel empowered as a buyer.
Interest rates have been on a roller coaster lately, largely driven by the Federal Reserve's efforts to combat inflation. By raising the rates, the Fed is working to slow down spending and stabilize the economy. But that's not the whole story. Other global factors like economic uncertainties and market trends are also contributing to the unpredictability. And then there's the impact of election season, which adds another layer of complexity.
Election seasons often bring uncertainty to financial markets, and mortgage rates are no exception. When investors don't know what's coming next, they react cautiously, which creates volatility.
And it's not just about who wins the election, but what their policies mean for the economy. Will there be more government spending? How will taxes change? Markets are constantly trying to predict these outcomes and the impact on interest rates.
This ripple effect can make mortgage rates jump up or down quickly, which directly affects how much buyer can borrow.
So what does this mean for you? When interest rates rise, your monthly mortgage payments increase. A 1% rate hike could cost you hundreds more per month, significantly affecting your purchasing power. And when rates are volatile, locking in a favorable mortgage rate becomes even more challenging. But this doesn't mean you're out of options.
Uncertainty doesn't mean you can now buy a home. It just means you need the right guidance. Let's talk about how we can help. We work with top mortgage professionals who can explore creative solutions for you, like rate buy-downs or adjustable rate mortgage, to make homeownership more affordable, even in the volatile market.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can never miss our videos.